This video here is a continuation of the video I made yesterday. Now all of the tulips in this video are planted the same way as the ones in the video yesterday, where you just push the spade in, push it forward, and put the tulips in behind it around 6 inches deep, and then you pull the spade straight up and out while holding the tulips down, and then you pull the dirt back over the tulips. And all of these tulips that you're seeing in this video were planted just that way. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you did, be sure and subscribe to this channel.
I love the way that all of the colors just mix together. They're a lot different than when I was growing up. We have a lot of different varieties. I like to go out in the flower garden every morning to see what's blooming. Those I just love because of the multi-petals and the colors that they are. And then this one is because of the feathery. It doesn't even look like a tulip. And then, I don't know what these are. What are those?
Columbine.
And then I just love the yellow and the oranges and the reds in that one.
Those are Virginia bluebells. They're my dad's favorite flower.
And the hostas are growing.
Yeah.
And that just doesn't look like a tulip, but it sure is pretty.
Yeah.
There's such different styles too. They're not all just upright petals.
Yeah.
And this one I think looks just fancy. And then I like to check the stamen and the pistil, because even with the difference in the colors, those parts are even different. And I love to see them with the daffodils too, because we have so many different daffodils also. And I love the mix of the yellow and the oranges there, and the pinks. And just the total look of all those colors. A fancy one. That multicolored orange. And the white one, yes, that's pretty. Oh, we're going to go on the back side of our flower garden. And there's another one of those gold ones. And one of those purple ones that almost look like it's purple and white with those two together. I love the pink and the oranges and the yellows together. I like that yellow with the fringed with the orange around the edges. And the fancy petals, multicolors. This one I wasn't even sure it was a tulip.
Yeah, I think it is.
The yellow, all those multiple petals.
I know, isn't that amazing?
It was beautiful. I keep going back to that one every day because it's so pretty.
Yeah.
I love the yellow and the red together. That is just pretty.
Yeah.
And this is the front one. There's a really deep purple one that I really like out here. It's just a velvety looking purple. And the red and yellow ones I really like, just those colors together. There's a picture of a mix of them. And the pinks. And the stamen and the pistil, they're just kind of different in each flower. It's kind of cool. Red was a common color when I was growing up.
Well, those are Julie's favorite tulips. And if you like our garden, please subscribe to our channel. And thanks a lot. Bye.